Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2016 16 plate 420D M Sport GRAN COUPE. The vehicle is fitted with a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, and alongside that a set of brand new 20-inch Mperformance style alloys that come with 4 brand new tyres. So at the front of the car you can see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, and also down the side, as well as being able to see it's a very clean and tidy example. It comes with the BMW gloss black air breathers. We've added the gloss black sidebars and the satin side vinyls. For the interior, it has got a full black Dakota leather, and passengers and drivers can enjoy both the electric lumbar and heated seat options. It comes with the wonderful 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which works very nicely in conjunction with that fantastic 2-litre engine. Rear seats, you'll find the 3-seat rear bench, which is of course all Isofix equipped. Also has a central folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining. Moving around towards the rear, again showing your those fantastic wheels, and at the back we opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler on this vehicle and the satin rear diffuser. Of course, being the 2-litre diesel variant, we have that really nice balance of economy and the power, so you can expect to see very high MPG rates out of these vehicles. Somewhere in the region of about 50 to 60 mpg is easily achievable, and that can be achieved even around town, which is of course always great, while still being able to have the power to get on and off motorways very easily. And even when the time suits you, you can go for a nice spirited drive in one of these vehicles, especially as it is equipped with that wonderful 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Hopping on inside, we'll run through a couple of this vehicle's major talking points, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll turn the car on and that will come to life. Beginning with the sat nav. This is a really user-friendly system, as are all of the BMW systems, and that is of course always essential. You don't want to be having to faff around with a system that's not easy to use should you be wanting to use it on the fly. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with DAB radio, and we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the CD, DVD, music collection and external devices. We'll cover your USB, your Bluetooth input, and of course your AUX plug-in input as well. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls, along with the switches for these wonderful heated seats, which is of course, now we're coming into the colder months, going to be something that's well worth its while. Back at the main menu in just 1 second, we'll hop over and take a look at the service requirements. It's done 53,000 miles, also has the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on that wonderful multifunction M Sport steering wheel, of course alongside the pedals for that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. In terms of its service requirements, you can see that everything is highlighted in green, and the next service for the car is due in 12,000 miles time, and including front and rear brakes, 18,000 on the rear and 31 on the front. Service history wise, as you can see, we've got comprehensive full BMW. The most recent service was carried out at 51858, and that was for a set of brake pads at BMW, as you can see there. The time before that, that was for a full service including all filters, which is of course great peace of mind and of course a great saving, as it means the next service is a very basic one. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you would like some more information on the vehicle, you can of course get in touch, and to do so you can find all of the relevant information down below in the description. And we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Do of course take care. Thank you very much, and bye bye.